Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name is David A. Qua and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a brand new visitor to my YouTube channel and have no idea what my videos are all about, I love to talk about things I'm passionate about. Movies, comic books, video games. I do hauls, reviews, unboxings. If that's the type of thing you're into, you may want to check out my other content, and if you like what you see, do subscribe. And if you like what you see here, you want to see more, check out my Instagram, my Twitter. If you like video game related stuff, I also have a Twitch. It's the same username all throughout, David A. Qua. So today we're going to take a look at a collection of Diary of a Wimpy Kid. That's right. It's a novel that's in journal form. See, there's pictures. It's like a kid's journal, you know. The book's author is Jeff Kinney. It was a New York Times bestseller, and it was a story of Greg Heffley. So we're gonna go through each of the books, tell you when they came out, take a look at the cover art, and we'll just go from there. All right. So Diary of a Wimpy Kid first came out April 1st, 2007. They actually made a movie of it also. There's like 4 movies. Today is April of 2019. There may be more books in the future, okay? But for right now, there's 13 of them, okay? So here's the first book, a novel in cartoons. #1 New York Times bestseller. Okay, there's Greg in the front there. If you want to see a description of the story, there it is. You can get these books for pretty cheap now. When they first came out, they were like 14, 15 bucks, man. Book #2 was Roderick Rules. Came out on February 1st, 2008. The story of Greg Heffley. A laugh-out-loud novel in cartoons should keep readers in stitches. Yeah. And then, on January 13th, 2009, we got The Last Straw. Uh-oh. Wonder what happened to Greg in this book. Move over, Harry Potter. There's a new set of titles dominating the bestseller list for kids' chapter books. Next book that came out was Dog Days. This one, they also had a movie of this also. The book came out on October 12th, 2009. The Last Straw didn't have a movie. So, movie. The Last Straw didn't have a movie. Not yet, anyway. I don't know when you're watching this video. But, yeah. Diary of a Wimpy Kid is bent on world domination by Time Magazine. Okay, cool. And then we got The Ugly Truth. Came out on November 9th, 2010. There's the front and there's the back. We'll take a look at the side, like how it would look on your shelves too, because they all line up really nicely. Pitch perfect details in both writing and art from Publishers Weekly. Cabin Fever came out November 15th, 2011. Diary of a Wimpy Kid series is the big fish in publishing now, from Hollywood Reporter. Okay. Third Wheel came out November 13th, 2012. There's the front cover. Here's the back. You can pause and read all this. One of the most successful children's series ever published. From the Washington Post. Okay. Hard Luck came out November 5th, 2013. Here's the front. We'll take a look at the side later. Here's the back. You can pause and read that. A big hit with reluctant readers and anyone looking for a funny book. They have some great artwork in here, and the style makes it easy to read, you know? Long Haul, they actually made a movie of this too. I never saw any of the movies. If you guys saw the movies and you're like a fan of the books also, let me know if you like the movies. Sometimes you read, you know, and the movies aren't as good, you know, it doesn't put as much detail and all that in it. But Long Haul came out November 4th, 2014. Okay. Readers love Diary of a Wimpy Kid series. Okay. We got Old School, came out on November 3rd, 2015. I don't know if I got the dates right. I'm just going off by memory and Google. In the publishing world, Kinney, the author, is a rock star. We got Double Down. Double Down came out on November 1st, 2016. Here's the front. There's the back. You can pause and read that if you like. Original price, $13.95. Oh, geez, $16.95 in Canada. We got The Getaway. Came out on November 7th, 2017. So Greg's on a plane right there. And all the characters are on a boat. Greg, Heffley, and his family are getting out of town. Read them all. Collect them all. Also go to wimpykid.com. And the final book we have here, Meltdown, came out October 30th, 2018, just last year. Okay. If you guys would like to see me make more videos, talk about the movies or whatever, do subscribe, do like the videos, comment on the videos, tell me what your favorite book is. Here, we'll do it like this. Let's stack them all up so we can see the spines. See the spines line up. Bring them closer here. Okay. Here, hang on. Here, we'll do it like that. There we go. That looks nice. Let me line them up a little bit better, though. Okay, how about that? Looks nice, huh? I like how they all line up. Looks really nice on your shelves. Diary of a Wimpy Kid books. I like how they all numbered them, too. And do subscribe. Perhaps I can do a giveaway for The Meltdown. That's right, the most latest book in the series. If you subscribe, and we get like 100,000 subscribers, maybe we'll do a giveaway. How about you guys, one lucky subscriber, one lucky viewer will get all the books. How about that? Have the entire series mailed to your house. So, yeah. Let me know if you guys like the movies and stuff like that too. And we'll just go from there. Some upcoming videos that you guys probably would be interested in. I am planning on doing a Animorphs collection video. Okay, if you like the Animorphs book series, check them out. It's got aliens, got sci-fi, fantasy, action. Check those out, okay? I'm also thinking about doing Lois Lowry's series, like Sun, The Giver, Gathering Blue, stuff like that. And also Lemony Snicket's series of unfortunate events, okay? So those are future videos I can possibly make in the future. Also check out videos I've already done, you know. I've done like an MCU DVD Blu-ray collection video. If you guys like Marvel stuff or DC and comic books, do check out those videos also. Yeah. So I want to thank you for watching, everyone. Be sure to comment and subscribe, and I'll talk guys later. Bye-bye.